This video is entitled Maintenance Parts File Overview. The WinTRF parts file contains all the parts that can be used to create an estimate. It is in this area that a user will adjust labor values and material prices, or where he will create new parts manually or by importing them from an electronic catalog. To access the parts file, you must first close the bid list by clicking the Exit button. Then you click on Maintenance on the menu bar, then select Data File Maintenance, then Parts to enter the parts file. So Maintenance, Data File Maintenance, Parts File. When the parts file is displayed, it will have all the commodities listed in a tree format. A commodity name is used to organize the contents under names that are easily recognizable identifiers. The far left side of the form displays 6 tabs that display tools that can be used to find parts using the following search techniques. Commodity search. The first tab at the bottom of the list displays the commodity list. A user will normally use the commodity list to add and maintain indexes and individual parts. Index search. The index search tab displays all the part indexes in alphabetical order. It contains a search field at the top of the tab that can be used to locate an index by name. So it's just simply typing in E will take me to the E's, MT will take me to the first EMT, then I can scroll down the list and find the items that I want. Part number. The part number search tab displays all the part numbers in alphanumeric order. It contains a search field at the top of the tab that can be used to locate a part by entering the part number. So if I wanted to search for something with a 1, started with a 1, it takes me to the 1s and I can start looking down through the screen. UPC number. UPC search tab displays all the UPC numbers in numerical order. It contains a search field at the top of the tab that can be used to locate a part by entering a UPC number. So I can go search for that. Catalog numbers. The catalog numbers search tab contains a search tab field at the top of the tab that can be used to locate a part by entering the catalog number. So if I know the catalog numbers, 632, that's not a catalog number, but if I know the catalog numbers, I can search for catalog numbers. Description. The description search tab contains a search field at the top of the tab that can be used to locate a part by entering the description. The right side of the form will display detailed information for each of the part that has been selected using any of the index modes. So if I go down and I search for something else, it'll show me the detailed information about that. The top of the form contains a menu, a print and utility menu, and we'll talk about those in the menu options video. This concludes the maintenance parts file overview.